Now let us look at area of a trapezium. Trapezium is our next quadrilateral. So a trapezium is a quadrilateral with two of its opposite sides being parallel. So the figure below shows a trapezium ABCD in which AD is parallel to BC, AD is equal to A, BC is equals to B, and AN is equal to DM, which is equals to H. So we have the figure here, which is clearly showing all those measurements. So the distance from B to C is given as B, distance from A to D is given as A. Then DM is equal to AN, which is the height or the distance between the two parallel sides. So finding the area of triangle ABN, we have a half times the base, which is BN, times the height, and the height is AN. So that is how you get the area of triangle ABN. That is a half BN times H, or a half times BN times H. Then area of rectangle ANMD is equals to length times the height, and the length is AD, and AD is equals to NM, which is equals to A. So you have A times H, then area of triangle DMC. That area, we use the formula half base times height. The base of that triangle DMC is MC. The height is MD, which is given as H. Therefore, the area is a half times MC times H. So the area of trapezium ABCD is equal to sum of those areas. That is a half BN times H plus AH plus a half MC times H. Now, a half H is common, so we can factor out a half H so that we remain with, so factoring out a half H, we remain with BN plus, when opening the brackets, for us to get back AH, then we need 2A, so that a half H times 2A, you get back your AH. So instead of putting, since we factored out a half H, and H is now common, we need to put 2A. So we have A plus A, which is 2A, then plus MC. So a half H, rearranging what is in the brackets, we have a half H into brackets 2A plus BN plus MC. But BN plus MC is equal to the distance from B to C, which is B, minus AD, which is A. So BN plus MC is equal to B minus A. Now substituting BN plus MC with B minus A, we have a half H into brackets 2A plus B minus A. Therefore, area of trapezium ABCD is equal to a half H into brackets A plus B, where A and B are the parallel lines and H is the height of the trapezium, or the distance between the parallel lines. So that is how you get the area of trapezium. It is a half times the perpendicular height between the parallel lines times the sum of the two parallel lines.
subscribe.